Kani gadega Pati CCTV, bat pidang pej yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Ka Shillong Press Club nega singi khat pratarik uyayong kala lumlang ya ka emergent meeting bat pusan halor ka jingsha kawang petrobom ka yeng jong ikong Patricia Mukim editor jong ka kot kubor pareng The Shillong Times hagamit khat new tarik uyayong arja khat pra hagani ka jingyalang la shimya karai da ka wei ka sur ka wei ka jingmut ban perlong da ka jingya ya pai ba ka bala khot ka silent march kum ka dak ban penram jur persya ya kum kani ka kampentrim jong ki riu bamman ki bamla ban itu baru ban kentu ya ki bor badai pej ban penlong ka jing tokit ka bating bat kem ya ki badon kti hagani ka kam.
Now we are all here to express our solidarity with Compact. At the same time, we are also here to figure out and to try and think and share our thoughts as to how we go forward. Because we cannot just lay back and relax. We don't know. There are many things happening. Many press clubs and many working journalist unions have expressed their solidarity. They've communicated to me. That is one. Some newspapers have carried, the print has gone quite heavy into it.